Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical for Devil. So today video I am going to show you how to boot your USB for installation of Windows in your laptop or PC. So for that you have to install one application which is called Rufus application. So for that reason you will have to download it from a browser. So you will have to install it from the Chrome browser or other browser which you are using. You will have to click on search, and then you will have to click on the Rufus application. After clicking on Rufus application on search, you will have to select the second one, which is the updated version, which is 3.13, and it is from up to down website. Then you will have to select on the latest version, and after selecting the latest version you will have to just click on the download, and after clicking on the download your download will be begins within a moment. After the completion of downloading, all I have already downloaded. Let me directly install it. As you can see, it don't need any installation. It will be auto open without installing, but sometime it is in a zip file or it is in a rar file. You will have to just extract it, as in the case I will show both the Rufus which is in a zip file or in a rar file. I am opening it directly because it was in an application file, not in a rar file, and you will see how I will use it for the booting a USB or a specific hard drive or anything else, or maybe a memory card which you are using for booting. You will have to just drag the Windows file as I have already did it, and you will have to select the USB which you want to boot, and then from that you will have to select the partition scheme which is the GPT for all the PCs. But if you have too much old version, you will have to select the UEFI MBR, not directly the GPT. You will have to select the BIOS setup for the MBR option. You will see an MBR option here, and after doing that you don't need to do anything else. You will just have to click on the start. As I am clicking on the start, you will have to click on the OK button, and after clicking on the OK button your installation will be, and the copying data from the PC to USB will be begins in a moment. As you can see, first your USB will be formatted, and then the Windows files will be copied to it. As it takes 4 to 5 minutes, so I am skipping it. So we'll catch you next video.